Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So again, today we're going to unbox this order from Amazon. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get have here a Hardell, and again, let's go and open this box. So, what again, guys? This is $34. I got this one from Amazon and I just ordered it. So it takes me a single day. There you go. Oh, wow. So there you go, guys. So tiny. So tiny. Wow. I'm so excited on this because I have a project that maybe I'm gonna use this one and we'll see. So, but again, this is 3.7 volts, a mini cordless rotary tools. And again, if you want to do some carving or anything that can be used on this for tools and everything, so you can try this one. So let's gonna start unboxing this today. Wow, it comes with a case. That's a good thing that they have a case for this. And I'm so surprised because this is too tiny and I was thinking a little bit bigger, you know. So I just do unbox this and we'll see. Wow, really small. Look at that, guys. Really small. Wow. It comes with a light. See that one? I'm gonna try to turn off, turn on, turn off. So they have lights. If you need to work, then you just work it like this way. You just like hand painting, whatever. But it's really nice one. I don't know how to use this, but again, I just purchased this because I have something to do with this. But again, as what I've said, we just do unbox. I'm not a handicraft thing, but I just have a project. That's why I just need this one. So again, on the box, what they have here is they have this oh, it comes with indicator. They have an indicator here. I hope you can see it. They have an indicator and I think I need to charge it. So there you go. It comes with these tools. They have lots of attachment. They have lots of attachment if you want to. So they're about 65, I think. But I don't know how to use this, but because I have a project, so you can do a drill. You can do whatever you want. You can create something. It's really nice one actually. For the price of $34. Not bad for me. But again, everything is here. And also they have those for polish. So we have to try to open everything. So yeah, if you want, you can use this as you know, like a varnish kind of. So again, I'm not a handyman. So whatever I'm saying here is that maybe it's not perfect, but I'm just trying. Okay. So, and again, it comes with the power cord. So all you have to do, it's a USB-C and then cord and then attach it. And then you have the USB, attach it and then charge. So, but again, for now, this unit has no charge. So maybe I need to charge it and then I'll see what I can do if I can try to turn this one on. But again, the only thing for this is really small. Honestly, it's really small, guys. Look at that. Really small. So if you have an iPhone, probably like this small. This is an iPhone 15 Plus. Look at that, really small. Same height. Look at that. See? Very small. So again, it's a good tools probably. I hope that this would helps on my craft because I have something to do here, and then I'm just thinking about this instead of buying a router. So this might be a useful for me. And then again, I'm just trying to. That's why I purchased this, and we'll see how it works. But so far, as I know that there's lots of videos here on YouTube, how to use this, how big is this. Some people review this kind of the Hardell brand. So yeah, I think is really good. And if you want a small one, instead of using the router or any carving on wood carving or uh, anything that you want to use this, you can try to use this one here and cleaning for your jewelry or creating a wood ring, whatever. So you can do this one here. So, but again, this is a good thing. It's 3.7 volts, an ion bolt, and it's a 5-speed. And again, they have 61 pieces accessories. So I said 61 pieces and multiple functions, USB-C and DIY fresh choice. Okay. So again, this is available in Amazon. I just got this one from Amazon, and I'm so excited to use this one. And this is made in China. So, but again, we'll see how it works. I don't know why it works, but okay. I don't know why. Okay. So you just plus minus. Okay, if you want to turn on, just plus. Did you hear that? Okay. Okay, so again, plus, if you want to increase the speed, minus is to turn off, lower the speed. Okay, so that's the purpose of this. And again, this one here, it changed whatever, and if you're gonna try this one later on, and we'll see. Okay, so but again, guys, I have lots of videos on my channel. I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing. And again, I was telling you that I'm not a handyman person, but I just got this one here just for my projects, and hopefully it works using this. And then yeah, I think it's really good one. Price wise, $34. Why not? It's really small one, and you can put it in your pocket, and it's very handy, And then the good thing is they have a pouch that you can put your thing here. You can put this one here, and then you can close it. They have the case. So that's the good thing for this one here, that they have a case, and I hope this one will be fit in this case here, because there's a box. Okay, so maybe it works. There you go. So you can close it if you're done, and then if you want to use it, charge it, and then rock and roll. So it's really tiny, really tiny, really tiny. Hardell is the brand, the orange color. So my favorite color before was orange, and then I moved to red. That's why my background is red. So again, thank you again for watching. For my perspective for this product, it's okay for the price of $34. I think it's okay. Compare on other brand, not really similar as this, a little bit bigger. They have I think higher voltage, not the 3.7, because this is 3.7. I think you can find it in other store if you want a higher voltage, so that it's gonna be faster or much better, I think. So for not really a handyman like me, I think this one is okay already for now. So, but anyway, again, I hope this will help. And if you want this one for your future tools, you can purchase this in Amazon. So, but anyway, again, thank you guys for watching. If you're not yet subscribing, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. So, but again, thank you for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.